Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Engr.ashfaqali. Today we are going to start another tutorial of AutoCAD. So let us start. So first of all, you need to open your AutoCAD window. This is the given figure today which we are going to draw it. So this is simple, just arrange joints or radius are there, or 20 or 30, and in the center we have a heptagon and hexagon. So first of all we draw which the distance between these two is 120. Now at edges we will draw two circles of R20 with radius 20 and radius 30. Now as you see, there are hexagon in the center of radius of 30 circle, so we are going to draw this hexagon. For drawing hexagon we need to first of all draw a circle, then go to as the hexagon radius is given, which is 20, and for pentagon it's also given. Now go to polygon and give the radius of polygon, which is 20. This is the polygon, radius of 20. Similarly, select polygon, pentagon for radius 50 and radius 50. So these are the two polygons which are drawn for the centers. Now as we have offset distance of 20 from central line, so we will offset the central line to distance of 10 and 10 on both sides to get distance between them, which is 20. And similarly, you can offset your central line at 5 for getting 10. Geometry. Now as the distance between center is 70, so we are going to offset this line at 10 from one side, 10 on another side. Now mirror this line across the center point. Now trim extra lines and entities. So I have trimmed all the entities. Now as there is fillet, so I will fillet the edges of the center. So you can fillet all the edges. First of all, select fillet command, go to radius give the proper radius. So I have given a radius of y for filleting. So this is the required figure, which is completely drawn. Now as you can see, here are the dimensions, so we will go to dimension, go to linear, we have proper dimensions across it. As this distance is 70, so it is right. Distance between the center of the lines is 20. Similarly, between these two lines we have a distance of 10. This circle has a radius of 30, while another one has a radius of 20. Similarly, you can give all the dimension as I have shown. If you like my work, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more coming videos. So the figure is completely drawn. Just one thing which is missing between these center of the circle, which is 130, 120, sorry, 29. Now we can go to print. Select a window across your line in center of the dot. Okay. Thanks for watching.